Plants speak long before we taste them, smell them, or analyze their chemistry. Their first language is form, the visible architecture shaped by light, water, gravity, and the chemical strategies encoded inside their tissues. In this module, we explore visual ecology, how plants broadcast their phytochemical signatures through shape, color, pattern, and posture. Every plant body is a strategy made visible. For example, a rosette hugs the earth to conserve moisture and protect volatile oils. A vine invests in flexibility instead of lignin, channeling chemistry into rapid growth and sensory exploration. A tree builds height to harvest light, storing tannins and resins in its heartwood as long-term defense. Form is not aesthetic. It's ecological autobiography, a record of pressures, resources, and chemical investments. Color is chemistry made visible. Anthocyanins shield tissues from UV stress and signal antioxidant capacity. Carotenoids stabilize membranes and protect photosystems. Deep greens reveal nitrogen-rich chlorophyll and a plant's investment in photosynthetic power. When you read color, you're reading chemical properties, what the plant protects, what it produces, and how it negotiates stress. Patterns of movement reveal a plant's behavioral ecology. A leaf that tracks the sun is optimizing sugar production. A tendril that sweeps the air is sampling mechanical cues. A flower that opens at dusk is tuned to a nocturnal pollinator's schedule. And these patterns aren't random. They're behavioral signatures shaped by hormones, electrical signaling, and phytochemical cascades. Surface textures are micro-landscapes of chemical intention. A fuzzy leaf disperses light and traps moisture. A waxy cuticle protects volatile oils from evaporating. A thorn concentrates lignin and phenolics into hardened architecture. A sticky resin head is a concentrated chemical fortress. Touch becomes a way to sense defense chemistry, moisture strategy, and environmental stress. Plant architecture often predicts phytochemical tendencies. Fast-growing annuals lean towards bright, volatile aromatics. Slow-growing evergreens invest in resins, terpenes, and long-lived defense compounds. Shade-adapted species produce broader leaves and often richer antioxidant profiles. Sun-loving plants concentrate oils, pigments, and UV protective chemistry. When you learn to read architecture, you begin to anticipate chemistry before you ever harvest a leaf. Visual ecology isn't about memorizing traits. It's about training your perception, learning to see the ecological logic behind every visible feature. You're building a sensory literacy that lets you decode a plant's chemical story from its posture, color, texture, and growth pattern. This is the foundation of phytochemical intuition, the ability to sense what a plant does before you analyze what it contains.